Alright guys, so this is the sculpture. I'm just putting in some last minute details. I'm almost done. You have to water down your clay when you're doing this. I'm thinking about also doing a wood sculpture. I have never sculpted or carved wood, so that'll be interesting. So here we go. But this is pretty much what the sculpture is pretty much done. I'm probably going to just kind of finesse some parts where the muscles are, and it should be pretty simple. I'm going to have to vent it somehow, and I might vent it through the legs, because remember, this entire sculpture is hollow, and you need to do that if you are going to be firing it in a kiln like I am. So one of the reasons I'm doing this with the GoPro is because I dropped my camera when I was doing a mold making video, so I'm just kind of waiting around for it. But I do kind of like the idea of using this to do a little bit of a wider format. So this is another piece, and hopefully you guys learned something from this video. And if you have any questions, post up in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. I'm also looking for new ideas for the next sculpture, so post up in the comments if you have any ideas.